In this video, we'll deploy Kafka on Cuemby Cloud. We begin by finding the Kafka image. Then we select the instance resources, CPU, and memory. The backup and public IP options are left at their default settings, and we click Deploy. After the deployment starts, Cuemby Cloud handles the provisioning to prepare the environment. Kafka is a distributed event streaming platform designed to receive, store, and process real-time event streams. In practice, this allows you to connect applications, move information between systems, and work with real-time data more reliable and scalable. In a solution like this, the network plays a crucial role because Kafka can work with internal connectivity between services or with a public IP address, as is the case when the client needs external control depending on their architecture.